Jai Shri Ram. In the Vishnu Sahasranamam, the ninth set. Ishvaro Vikrami Dhanvi Medhavi Vikramakramaha Anuttamo Dhuradarshaha Kritagnaha Kritiratmavan. So look at the meanings. Ishvaro, the omnipotent being, omnipotent. He can do anything. He will make the unhoni honi and the honi unhoni. The impossible will happen. So have Shraddha. Faith is a dirty word. Faith means blind faith. You have to believe whatever is there in that stupid, unholy book which is full of lechery, butchery and treachery. Hinduism does not support faith. Hinduism recommends Shraddha. Shraddha means Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu Drudho. Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu Druda Vishwasaha Shraddha. That is the definition given by Adi Shankaracharya. Guru, who is Guru? Sri Rama, Krishna, Jagat Guru. You don't need any other Guru. And Atmano Gururatmaiva Purushasya. Atmano Gururatmaiva Purushasya Visheshataha. Krishna says you can be your own Guru because Krishna is residing in your heart. Open up a heart line with him. Right? So, he is omnipotent, omniscient, providential, and omnipresent and inscrutable, mysterious. So all your theories will fall flat. Ishvaro Vikrami. Now what is Vikrami? The courageous one. Vikrama also means one who will upset the Krama. That means he will disrupt everything. Hanuman is called Vikrama. Mahavira Vikrama Bajarangi. When he set Lanka on fire, Ravana used an astra to bring down rain. But then he realized this rain was actually fueling the fire. And the fire was becoming greater. Because Hanuman split the atoms of hydrogen and oxygen, H2O, into hydrogen and oxygen. And both hydrogen and oxygen independently feed the fire. So that is why he is Vikrama. Vikrama also means courageous. Dhanvi, who is armed with a bow, Sharanga. Medhavi, who is intelligent, capable of grasping your mind, your thoughts also. Vikrama, so he crosses the Kramana, that is transcends samsara, and who has V, that means he is Garuda. Kramaha, Kramaha because he is the cause of Kramana or crossing the ocean of samsara. Next, Anuttamo, he is the greatest, none greater. Dhuradarshaha, one whom none can overcome. Kritagna, he shows gratitude even for the smallest favor, while we forget. Atmavan, established in his own greatness. Kriti,